Welcome to Canada Kitchen's assembly video series. In this video, we will assemble a wine rack. Recommended tools include wood glue, drill, nailer, and rubber mallet. Open the A and B boxes for your cabinet. The A box will include the front-facing parts of the cabinet, the doors, drawer fronts, and face frame, while the B box will contain the cabinet box panels, drawer boxes, shelves, and hardware. Cabinets with sides that are visible or exposed may require the side panel to be replaced with a colored panel matching the door and face frame. Review your layout and double-check the colored panel is needed and on the correct side. Step 1. Insert side panels into the face frame. Line up the dovetail edge of the side panel with the groove at the back of the face frame and slide the panel into the groove until the edges are flush. The grooves on the side panel should be on the inside of the cabinet. Step 2. Insert the top and bottom panels. Place wood glue into the grooves at the back of the face frame. Line up the sides of the panel with the grooves on the inside of the side panels and slide towards the face frame. Slide forward until the front edge of the panel sits in the groove of the face frame. Repeat for the other panel. Step 3. Attach back panel. Place lattice panels inside the cabinet before securing the back panel. Slightly open the side panels at the back of the cabinet. Position the back panel's grooves on the top and bottom panels. Push the side panels back into place, inserting the side tabs into the groove. Nail the side panel to the back panel, placing nails 6 to 8 inches apart. Repeat for the other side. Step 4. Install brackets and secure the back panel. Install the 90-degree flat bracket to secure the face frame to the bottom panel. Remember to pre-drill a small hole when placing screws into the face frame. Next, install 90-degree brackets into the corners to secure the face frames to the side panels. Repeat these steps for the top panel. Now secure the back panel to the cabinet with 35mm black flathead screws. Step 5. Secure the front lattice panel. Use some blocks of wood or spacers of equal height, about 1.5 inches to 2 inches, to lift panels off the back panel. This will position the back lattice panel for the final step. Lift the front lattice panel to the front of the cabinet. Pre-drill a small hole and secure the corner of the panel with a 35mm black screw. Repeat for the other corners to secure the front lattice panel. Step 6. Secure the back lattice panel. Use another wood block or spacer or measure to locate the center of the back lattice panel's edge. Repeat the same steps as the front panel to secure the back lattice panel. Then remove the spacers from inside the cabinet. And that's it! Your cabinet is now complete. Visit our website or YouTube page for more cabinet assembly videos.